Hi, in this video, we're going to guide you through the process of connecting a single EC33 elevator control unit to two separate elevator cabs within a building of no more than 16 floors. The EC33 unit must be installed at the top of the building. Residents will have various access options and can select their destination floor in either cab. For this setup, we'll need AccuVox Elevator Control EC33, elevator button panels, and a flathead screwdriver. Now, let's take a look at the wiring diagram. In a 16-floor setup, the 17th relay output on the EC33 controller is configured for the first floor in the second elevator cab, and so on for higher floors. For instance, if a resident lives on the second floor, they should be granted access to both the second relay, Elevator 1, and the 18th relay, Elevator 2. This configuration enables access to the desired floor using either cab. To change the working status of the EC33 to normally open, NO, adjust the connector accordingly. This setting allows the elevator button to light up only when pressed. If set to normally closed, NC, the button remains lit and will only turn off when pressed. Suppose a resident has permission for the second floor, you would connect button 2's wires to the COM18 and NO terminals on the EC33. Tug gently on the wires to ensure a secure connection. Before pressing any buttons, ensure the system is powered on. If your installation involves an actual elevator button panel, please follow the detailed wiring diagram provided above. Repeat the same steps for connecting the second set of terminals. Next, we'll proceed with configuring the elevator control feature via the device's web interface. First, access the EC33 web interface by logging in with the default credentials. Username and password are both admin. Navigate to Device. Then, Relay Interface. Locate Open Relay via HTTP, and enable it. Input the username and password, which for this example, remain admin. Click Submit to save these settings. Then, we will show you the configuration for door phone. We will take R29 for example. Log in to the device web interface with the default admin credentials. Go to Intercom, Lift Control. Select AccuVox EC32 in Lift Control list. Enter the IP address of EC33 in Server IP field. Enter 80, the default value, in port field. The commands should be pre-filled. Just set the username and password to match those of the EC33. In this case, they are admin. To enable resident elevator control, go to Intercom. Then, User Interface. Click Add to set up access methods. Manually input a card code or automatically read one with the card reader. Scroll to Access Setting, and specify the floors that residents are allowed to access. Click Submit to save the changes. After completing the configurations on the web interface, use pre-configured access methods, and press the button in either elevator cab to access the desired floor. Thanks for watching.